Tired of waking up to that annoying gap between your two smaller mattresses? The Hypoallergenic Bamboo Mattress Connector Kit promises to fill those gaps and turn two beds into one seamless king-size bed. Imagine no more bumps, bulges, or discomfort, just pure softness and comfort where you need it most. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply push the beds together, slide the memory foam pad into the gap, and secure everything tightly with the included 33-foot strap. The kit even comes with a handy storage bag, so you can pack it away easily when not in use. Whether you're creating a family bed or just want a better night's sleep, this system works in minutes. What sets this bed connector apart is its premium memory foam pad, measuring 75 inches long and 10 inches wide, covered with a hypoallergenic bamboo fabric. This combination not only fills the gap but also protects your mattress edges by evenly distributing weight. It's a smart solution that adds comfort and extends the life of your mattresses. One user shared how this kit solved her long-standing problem with a split king adjustable bed. She didn't even need to use the strap because the foam pad alone filled the crack perfectly, making the bed soft and comfortable. Her daughter loved sleeping in the middle, and after years of feeling distant from her husband, they finally enjoyed cuddling again. That's the kind of change this product delivers. If you're considering a way to unify your beds without sacrificing comfort or convenience, this connector kit is worth a look. Its easy setup, quality materials, and thoughtful design make it a practical choice for anyone dealing with mattress gaps. Plus, your satisfaction is guaranteed. If the product doesn't meet your expectations, you can easily get a refund or replacement. That's how confident the makers are in the comfort and durability of their mattress connector. Ready to stop sleeping apart and start enjoying your bed as one? Try the Hypoallergenic Bamboo Mattress Connector Kit when you're ready. It's a simple fix that makes a big difference: comfort, protection, and peace of mind all in one package.